The princely state of Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit-Baltistan was founded by the Dogra dynasty. Jammu Region is the heartland of the Dogras, and Jammu city in this region is also famously known as the City of Temples. The city's skyline is dotted with shikharas, and most of the temples have been built by Dogra rulers. There are also many ancient temples in towns and villages bordering Jammu city. One such ancient temple, which is around 175 to 200 years old, is the Bamu temple, built by one Bamu Shah, a close associate of Maharaja Gulab Singh. Bamu temple is a Shikhara-style temple. The temple is made of bricks with high tapering shikharas with kalasha on the top. Bamu temple is constructed on a small, square-shaped raised platform, and there is a pradakshina path going all around the temple. Pillared mandapas lead to the sanctum sanctorum or garbhagriha of the temple. The entrance doorway of the sanctum is richly decorated with floral and geometric patterns. The inner and outer walls of the temple are decorated by beautiful and colorful wall paintings depicting episodes from the epics Ramayana and Mahabharata. The murals on the wall also showcase some well-known rituals and customs of the Dogra culture. Though some paintings are well preserved, many have faded due to the vagaries of time and weather. This temple is in Bamuchak village, which currently remains uninhabited because of its proximity to the volatile Indo-Pak international border. Most of the villagers have migrated to other areas in Jammu and Samba district and even to the Kangra district in Himachal Pradesh. Bamuchak village is situated on the old cart road connecting Jammu with Lahore and Amritsar. Through this cart road, pilgrims of Mata Vaishno from the then Punjab used to travel and stay at the Sarai in the Bamu temple. Bamuchak temple, which is 38 kilometers from Jammu city, can be reached by following the route from Jak, Nandpur, Kherda, Dug and Aptal.